This is that calamari.
Look how pretty it is today.
Alright, Siri's getting her.
Alright, I'm getting ready to put my bait on. I'm not excited about it. So I made some gloves because I don't want to touch these squid. They're disgusting. I only like them when they're deep fried. It's the only time I will touch it.
Nice. So you're going out for a pop.
Oh, sick. So I should slice it in half probably. Oh god, that's so, I can smell it. Ew, it's sort of crunchy.
I heard that song again this morning.
They play it on the radio all the time.
You should listen to 100.3. I'm so busy concentrating.
Oh, I didn't get any of the little leggies. Is that okay? Just that? I really like that. I like it.
Look up here.
Oh. Oh, God.
Yummy.
I'm gonna. Okay. Oh, I think I'm gonna throw up.
Great.
Gotta hook
I may
it.
want to use those gloves after. Let me see. I gotta get those.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Maybe. Dude, get it on camera. What are you gonna do when you become moms and you have to clean chicken?
Clean chicken. Like that's the grossest thing. I'm gonna use this big fatty piece.
Clean chicken, I think like changing poopy diapers would be worse.
Oh god. Sick.
Oh. Get it, Siri.
I better catch a hammerhead because I don't
gotta.
think I
Oh,
can
this
do
is
it. You think it's gonna tear?
No. That's a lot of meat. They better want that.
Oh, it's dripping on me.
Good job.
Yay! Yay! Brilliant. Jerry just taught us a trick.
Put the hook in the rod.
So I don't stab myself.
Oh, this is a big mix here.
Yeah, this is day 2 of hunting for hammerheads.
Oh no.
We just got our poles yesterday.
Where are you folks visiting from? You guys not from here. Over here.
By the dock?
Yeah, not into the dock, but between this boat and the pier.
Is it too windy to catch a hammerhead or to go fishing?
Because they still gotta eat, right? They don't care whether or not the weather's good or bad, right? They still gotta eat.
Gonna blow our line into shore faster?
No, because you've got fairly heavy lead, right?
We do have a heavy weight.
Okay.
You're wondering about
Okay,
that.
and you don't need to cast very far because I have caught baby hammerheads right along the shoreline with my bait.
I'm so excited. Does it matter what time of year? Like, is this a bad time to catch a pup or doesn't it matter?
Kaneohe Bay has lots of hammerheads, so I don't think you need to worry.
Alright.
You found us a gold mine. Thank you.
Our new friend Jerry is showing us how to properly cast. He is a pro.
Before you cast the line, hits the water, sometimes the fish can grab it. Hopefully. Because of the big happen. So, because I'm a right-handed, I drove to my right side.
Here we go. I know.
Push record when you handed it to me the first time?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, maybe it was. I don't think it was recording the first time.
That's okay. Ew, I should stop doing that because it's gonna make it more. That's gross. So look, this is squid ink.
It doesn't
Get
make
your hook
sense.
away from me. It might be hard. Oh, sick. What do you think the shark wants more? The fringies or the other thing?
You want the brains.
What should I give him? them. Let's cook them. All right, Brooklyn's at work, so Jeannie and I are just trying to catch some hammerheads at the canal. Not bad? Not bad?
Am I an idiot? That's a 360.
It's harder than it looks, huh? Here's my new crab. We're not having much luck with the hammerheads today, but we have been catching crabs in a non-disgusting sense of that phrase.
In a non-medical way.
In a non-hygienic sense.
What's its name?
I don't know yet.
So then, tomorrow, what does tomorrow bring with you? After we work at 12.
And we caught a puppy. Kobe! Kobe!
So you got self-esteem.
This is our new friend Kobe. She has run away from home.
I want to go work on it.
Call!
What are you going to turn him to do next?
I want her to turn. Kobe, come here. Kobe! Come here. Kobe! 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 Get over here. Sit down. Kobe, sit down. We're taking a picture. Sit down. Turn around. Wow.
Kobe,
You are
I don't want a picture of your
spoiled
butt, I want a
child.
picture of your face.
Kobe, turn around. Turn around.
Did you get that email that I forwarded to you last
Kobe. Turn around like a normal person. What is that? Sit. Okay. That's Matthew Fox.
How do you know it's here?
That's his back.
Get Oprah Winfrey.